Welcome to the smoke, the sparks, and the sacred. Spoiler alert, anything you do today, good or bad, is set to multiply. So, watching this video is already a very good move. And if you're feeling a little extra generous, you might want to subscribe to my channel. Okay, now that you're subscribed, let's take a moment and step into this ancient ceremony together. This is Namdroling Monastery, better known as Golden Temple, a sacred site of Vajrayana practice in South India. And in this video, we will witness a sacred fire puja or chinsek in Tibetan held in Namdroling Monastery during Saka Dawa, the holiest month in Tibetan Buddhist calendar. Today, June 13, 2025 is the 15th lunar day, the full moon, the day of Buddha's birth, enlightenment and parinirvana. It is believed that all spiritual activities performed on this day are multiplied by millions. During Saka Dawa, practitioners often observe vows, offer light, perform life releases and engage in meditation. The fire puja is one such act, an offering to the enlightened beings, protectors, and all sentient beings. It is a traditional purification and offering ceremony involving fire. During Saka Dawa, especially on the 15th day, fire puja may be performed by monasteries or practitioners to accumulate merit and purify negative karma. This ritual carries profound spiritual significance. Mantras are recited continuously, especially those of Vajrasattva, Padmasambhava, or wrathful deities like Vajrakilaya. Monks begin by offering sacred substances into the fire: medicinal herbs, grains, oils, and other blessed items. Each offering is made with a prayer to remove negativity, obstacles, and obscurations, not just for individuals but for the entire sentient beings. The fire is not just physical, it represents the wisdom that burns away ignorance. The smoke is believed to carry prayers and blessings across all realms, seen and unseen. Just watching this video with an open heart can be a practice of devotion and awareness. As firecrackers burst, a loud sound drives away negative forces and obstacles. In Vajrayana Buddhism, even a sound is an offering. These explosions become a way to awaken, purify, and celebrate the blessings of this sacred day. And just like that, as the fire begins to settle and the sacred smoke fades into the sky, the energy of the puja is dedicated to the welfare of all the beings, seen and unseen. If you've watched this far, surprise! You have just taken a part in a sacred fire puja. No red, yellow robes required. Your presence, your breath, even your curiosity, it's all part of the offering. On this full moon of Saka Dawa, may your obstacles vanish, your heart feel lighter, and your path shine a little brighter. Thanks for watching, and maybe next time, light a candle instead of a fire.